Hazrat Abu Huraira radiyallahu anhu reports, one day meat was presented to him sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So he sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, on the day of resurrection, Allah Jalla Jalaluhu will assemble all the former and coming generations at one place, so that the proclaimer can transmit his voice to all and behold all, and the sun will come close to them. Then narrating the intercession hadith, he said, they will come to Hazrat Ibrahim alayhi salam and say, on the earth you are the prophet and friend of Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, so you may intercede with your Lord for us, mentioning his apparent contrary to fact statements. He alayhi salam will say, I am worried about myself. I am worried about myself. You should go to Hazrat Moosa alayhi salam. Hazrat Anas has corroborated him, Hazrat Abu Huraira radiyallahu anhu, from the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 3361.